Okay, in another video, last video, when we try to get input from user and we try to perform an arithmetic operation to add 2 to the input the user had entered, but it come out with an error. Now let's see. Let's try. Okay, this is error because Python assume that input is considered as a string, so we need to declare, get the input into integer. This is also called as casting. How? Just integer and in bracket. Here we can do this way, or we can do it this way, but we can do it shorter. Do this way. User enter number, then cast it into integer. Declare Python first declare it as a string, but then we cast it into integer. But to then we put a string here. String is we want to remove all pre and post space in the input. So now let's try. Okay, now it's working fine. But what if a user don't want to enter? They don't want to follow your instruction. You want them to insert a number, but they insert a character and an alphabet, which will return an error. Let's try baby. Okay. Now this is an error. Why? Because we cast it into integer, but user put a string. But Python doesn't recognize a string as an integer. So how can we handle this? This is called execution handling. It is called error handling in Python. So we learn in other video about exception handling of error handling.